Here is the room tour of our ocean view room on deck 4, 4208, and it's ocean view. I put some stickers over here so we know which one it is, because that's easier for kids to find. So this is our room. You just touch. So as you come in, you will see on your side the evacuation instructions right here. You will have your thermostat, your thing to put a card into to keep the master's lights on, and the outlets, and then you have two switches. One switch here is for the hall light, and the second switch is for the main light. Also, to your right, you will see a set of 4 closets. They're very spacious. Like here, we have one side for my husband, well, both sides. You have a safe over here. You have a pull-out shelf for shoes, and you have 2 pull-out drawers. The safe is nice and roomy also. Oops, I dropped some. And oh, on the other side here, you have another set of closets. And here you have my kids' clothes. I got my clothes. And when I pack in a Ziploc, not Ziploc, but Hefty brand storage bags. And they're like compression bags. You can either press the air out, or it comes with a pump. You could pump it out. Then it makes it really good for storage, but also we keep our laundry in there, which is nice. Then this is the restroom. It's a really nice bathroom. It has plenty of storage on top. You got shelves here. You got a little sink. What I like about this bathroom is that the shower is quite spacious, and it's an adjustable shower head there, and you have a little footrest for shaving, and it has a glass door, and as you can see, it's square. It's not like one of those those circular ones. So this gives you a lot more room. You got towels on the side, and you got a couple of hooks over here, which is nice. You got more hooks on this wall right here. And I like to bring with me, like I always say in all my videos, magnetic hooks, which adds to so much more storage. You just add them anywhere, because all the walls are magnetic. So you just stick them on there and you're good to go. Then over here, this bed is nice and comfy. It's a king size bed, and there's no thing in the middle, like looks like a solid full mattress. You have these wonderful little bedside lights. You pop them out and they will turn on. And also each light by each side of the bed will have a USB outlet, which is super handy. Got 2 little floating shelves there that are very handy. You have a very nice size TV. It's at least 55 inches, at least, maybe more. Then coming around, you have the similar setup on this side. It's where my husband stays. Again, you see that. Also here you have the switches, the master light switch, this one the ambience light, and then you have the lights that control the same like by the door. So that's really good. Let me turn them back on. Okay, a really pretty light up here. We really like this room. We like the colors in it. They're very bright. Then we have a little thing I like to put up so the kids can draw on it, and just really neat. Now, next to the couch, and this is a regular sofa, and if you have people sleeping here, it flips right over and converts it to a bed, which I like a lot better than some ships that have a pull-out sofa that extends like forward. What I like about this one is that it doesn't impede on your leg, like walking space. So it's really you have a lot more space inside the room. Now we have a Pullman down bed over here where my other daughter sleeps. So that's really nice. It's still like it does not impede on your walkability. Then you have a little table here that also has 2 shelves inside. Very, very nice. You have a very generous vanity. You have an ottoman here. That is a seat. It is also storage. And if you flip it over, you can see that it's a tray. So you could also use it as a tray if you want to sit on the bed, for example, and eat. Now here you have 3 American outlets. You got 2 USBs on one side, you got 2 USBs on the other side. And here you have a vanity light switch. Very nice. You have a telephone which is mounted on the wall, which is fantastic because it doesn't take up space on the countertop. Got 2 more shelves. Got a very wonderful little mini fridge here that lights up, and it's really good. And then you have 3 drawers. This one is like, this is actually the pump that I use for the bags. And you have this really deep drawers. It comes with a hair dryer, and this hair dryer is actually really nice. It's one of those little nozzle. I know the ladies would appreciate it. It's not like those ones that have the metal stuff right on the end. And another really deep drawer. And here is our window. Our kids like to sit inside of it and hang out and look outside. And these are our animals. Really, really wonderful room. We really love staying here a lot. And this light right here, that's next to the couch, same like the ones that are by the bedside, but it does not have a USB in it. So that's the room. It's really big. We're super happy with it. So I hope this gives you a good idea of what it's like. Also, this room is located on deck 4, which is the same deck as the Camp Ocean. So if you have children staying with you and you would like for them to go to Camp Ocean, it's right down the hall, and it's really convenient. And I really like this location, and I really like this. It's more like towards the very front of the ship, so you don't have any traffic here, and it's really quiet and peaceful. So I really like it, and I hope you enjoyed this tour, and happy cruising. If you have any questions, please ask me. I'll be happy to answer them all. Take care for now. Bye-bye.